Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Ashik and I'm excited to share my journey with you today. I'm a final year student from Electrical and Electronics Engineering of Panimal Engineering College. Successfully secured a job at NICE Engineering Solutions Private Limited. I hope my experience will inspire and guide you on your path of success. One of the key reasons for my success is the excellent support provided by my college. The infrastructure, well-equipped labs, a great library, and a tech-enabled learning environment helped me immensely. The college also provided facilities like transportation, a cafeteria with hygienic food, and hostel accommodations, making student life comfortable and productive. The guidance from my head of department and faculty was instrumental in shaping my skills. They were always available for doubts, conducted extra classes, and provided real-world insights that helped me prepare for my career. I actively participated in various events including hackathons, cultural fest, technical competitions, sports, workshops, etc. These experiences not only enhanced my skills but also helped in building confidence and teamwork. The placement training arranged by the college conducted aptitude training, soft skills sessions, mock interviews, and technical workshops which made the recruitment process much easier for us. My interview experience with NICE Engineering Solutions Private Limited was challenging and rewarding. The, the selection process includes MCQs, group discussions, and final technical and HR interview. Thanks to the rigorous training at my college, I was well prepared and could confidently clear all the stages. I am extremely grateful to my college faculty and the placement team for their unwavering support to all aspiring students. I would say stay focused, make the most of the opportunities, and believe in yourself. Success will follow. Thank you.